Hi guys, this is Rhythm and this is my debut video. I can't believe I'm finally doing this. I have been looking at starting this from so long. Like it has been easily 2 years if I'm not wrong. हाँ 2 साल तो हो गए होंगे. And last 1 year I think I really wanted to, but I didn't know again how to start. And I think at least how to start was not the issue. The issue was editing. ठीक है मुझे editing नहीं आती है. I am really a zero at it. But then last year, and rather I would say earlier on this year, is when I actually started making reels, for Instagram, and maybe some recently I did an IGTV video and learned how to do the voiceover and this that. तो मेरे हिसाब से मुझे लगता था life changing was experience or whatever was bringing home an iPhone for myself, because शायद मैं Android पे ये सब नहीं कर पा रही थी. So I bought an iPhone when actually the Android died on me. So I bought the iPhone, and that is when iMovie happened, and I thought that let me give it a try. Realized in maybe less than a week that okay, this is doable, it's not so difficult. I'm sorry if I'm moving so much, but that's maybe because, can I just be honest, I'm still trying to figure out where to look. Dude, when I started this video, I had to go back and forth to my husband and ask ये वीडियो बनाते कैसे हैं यार, where do I look? मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा. मैं देखूंगा, मैं जहाँ भी देखना लग रहा है मैं उल्टा सीधा नीचे कहीं और ही देख रही हूँ, like almost making me look like a squint-eyed person. But नहीं, now I think I figured out where to look at. So I'm hoping that I'm looking at the right place. Also, since this is my debut video, sorry, I've just had food because although it's 5:30 in the evening and I'm done with my dinner, because I do intermittent fasting. That's what I follow. But खैर उस पे हम किसी और दिन चर्चा करेंगे. We'll make a video some other day on that. But right now, what am I going to be doing? I am going to be making a video on something that I'm actually not an expert of. Packing, guys. Yes, I more often than not tend to overpack than actually pack just right. What am I an expert of? You will get to know. पता चलेगा what do I do in life, etc., when maybe I do a video like know more about me or know me kind of thing. But yeah, right now what I'm doing is I'm just making a video on packing, because I am leaving for Delhi tomorrow. It's a work trip, and I'm beginning to pack. So I'm going to flip the camera now, and I'm going to show you everything that I want to carry with me. Of course, keep in mind that ये थोड़ा सा overpacking होने वाला है, because that's just the way I am. I cannot help it. Frankly, before the pandemic मैंने सीख लिया था, because I used to travel so much, like almost every week, Monday to Thursday, or sometimes going off to the weekend, कि I had learned to pack little, travel light. But then the pandemic came, and obviously habits are very difficult to break, and this is an old habit which I almost conquered, and by the time I conquered, it was pandemic, and now I'm back to square one. So basically I again will be overpacking. Okay, so time to flip the camera and start showing you everything that I'm going to be putting in my bag for Delhi. Okay guys, so इस समय ये situation है, right? I have too many things on my bed. Well, most likely all of this is going to be going into this suitcase, and I have another one there because I'm going for 5 days. And if possible, I might also be extending my trip. Okay, so I'll quickly take you through everything that I'm planning to keep. So I'm really wanting to keep some airy, easy breezy clothes. By the way, the job that I am in does not expect me to be in fully formal clothes, but I would say rather fashionable, trendy, edgy, you know what I mean, like, right? Not boring suits, sorry. So Delhi hai, and I don't have really formal meetings, but there is one thing that I have to wear something fashionably formal for, and for that I've kept something else. तो ये मेरा एक quad set है, जो कि is not like the usual quad set. I actually mixed and matched things. It's a beautiful linen lower, which I wear with a linen top, and it's really nice, very comfortable. Then here I'm carrying a few, rather 2 pairs of jeans, one which I can make it look a bit more formal because of the color and the style, and this is a boyfriend pair of jeans. So obviously this is more for my casual days, but work days. I'm carrying this black dress which is from Zara. By the way, both these pairs of jeans are also from Zara, and so is this dress. इसके साथ के लिए मैंने एक belt रखी है, because in case I want to dress it up, then I can do that. And in case I want to wear it on that day when I have to wear something formal, sorry, that's my pet's hair, then I will probably do that. Otherwise, I have kept this white shirt, but this is just not a white shirt. It's a beautiful white shirt, but a peplon type of a back, a long back. It's very, very chic. It's from a designer brand called Chillosophy, which also happens to be my friend. And if she's watching this, Silky, hey, more power to you, girl. You have been doing some awesome stuff. So that is something that I want to then wear with this pair of jeans, and I'll obviously carry some heels to kind of go with it. This is another purchase from Zara. It's a really cute, balloon sleeve shirt, lavender color. I didn't have this color in my wardrobe, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I have more of blush pink. So, by the way, I'm a blush pink girl or a powder pink girl. And you can probably tell with the color of this mouse. So yeah, that's what I'm looking to carry. Then here is some comfort wear. All of this is from Pinkley. I love the brand Pinkley. This is a beautiful kaftan, which I can pair it up with these loose pajamas. Then this is another kaftan. So basically I'm carrying this so that when you have to step down for breakfast, then you obviously don't want to be ill-cladly dressed, but rather decently dressed. And then this is another quad set. Beautiful tie and dye, as you can only imagine. Tie and dye is so much in these days. And this is from the brand Minimal, which happens to be actually a homegrown brand, same like Pinkley, by the way. And is from Gurgaon, while Pinkley is from, I think, the head office or headquarters happens to be in Bombay. Then if you're wondering what is this has got all my hairbands. I love throwing in some hairbands with my clothes. I think it instantly lifts up the way your outfit can look. And no, I'm not carrying all of them. Don't be scared. I am going to be carrying a few, okay? So maybe like if there are two, like, you know what I mean, right? Like this and this, may say I might just go for one. I might either carry this or carry this, depending upon which pink I want to carry. And this is really, it doesn't take any space or doesn't have any weight. So these I'll just throw in anyway. And what next? Okay, so here comes the accessories part. I've just taken out some accessories. Recently, I have been what do I say? I have been loving artificial jewelry because they have been loving me back. Yes, I every time wore anything artificial, it would actually give me an infection. So these days, I don't know how, and this is a stash, by the way, that I dhapawed from my sisters in Mumbai. And if you also follow me on Instagram and have seen my stories, then you would know who I'm talking about and which was the time or when was the time when I did this. So yeah, so these are pretty much all the accessories that I have taken out. I have shitloads more. Yes, I have truckloads more of accessories, even though they would never suit me, but I would still buy them. A fetish of buying jewelry, clothes, shoes, oh my god, you name it and you have it. Like, yeah, I'm a big spendthrift. So yeah, so I will probably choose. I'm not carrying obviously all of this. I'm going to be choosing what to carry because what is going to go with all of this. Here I have my hair tools that I need to carry. So I have my air wrap from Dyson and I have the hair straightener from Dyson. Though I have the entire kit, the full set of the Dyson, but I don't want to be carrying too much. So I'm just carrying the attachments that I really will need, like the hair dryer and the ones that I can use for curling my hair. These are, what you definitely need to make sure that your hair is not really damaged. And then here I have my laptop case, my laptop, which is very gently sitting right under that pile of clothes. All of this needs to go in. Now, this, of course, I will be carrying as hand luggage, but the rest of it I will have to. And yeah, how can I forget makeup? Yeah, sorry. This is how the drawer is looking right now. I try and keep it organized as much as I can, but unfortunately, because I use all of this on a daily basis, wo ho hi jata hai, mess up. So this is all, I have a lot of makeup, like brushes, lashes. I don't know what is there in this. Oh, there's more makeup. Yeah, there's makeup literally everywhere. Okay, so I have to also organize my makeup drawer, and then figure out what do I have to carry for my makeup. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Of course, I still have to carry. Oh, that's me. Hello there. Hello. You can't see my face, sorry. How do I sew? How do I sew? How do I sew? uh let me go closer. Yeah, there you are. So this is my wardrobe, right? I have to figure out what more do I need to carry, because ये seriously बहुत कुछ नहीं है अभी, and I know that by the time I'm ending now, there'll be more additions to my wardrobe, to my suitcase. And yeah, abhi यहाँ से I have to pick up more accessories, maybe something for the neck, something which will go, pretty much with everything. So this is what I need to carry. Maybe I'll carry this. This is my all-time favorite piece. I picked this up from Khan Market long ago, yeah. And I'm planning to carry this. I've already thrown in a belt, so I don't need more belts rather. But yeah, so I think I'm pretty much it. And the last thing that I will obviously be needing to put is, your toiletries, and maybe I will be adding in throw shoes, and of course throwing in UGs. So yes, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna close this video for now. As you can imagine, मैं बहुत बोल सकती हूँ but I don't want to bore the hell out of you already. This is just only my first video. I will be coming back with many more and talking a lot more to you guys, sharing a lot more about me, my life with you all. Take care, guys. Stay safe. Please keep your masks on. COVID abhi gaya nahi hai. I try and keep it on as much as I can, but because I am more often than not in social gatherings, of course, now when I'm fully vaccinated, most people are fully vaccinated. It's a closed group that we are, stepping out. Then, of course, once we are at our tables, open air is something that we definitely look out for. And then, we remove our masks. But don't not wear, sorry, your mask and go in a market. Matlab, I've been seeing a lot of people do this already. Don't, yeah, don't. It's still around, and before the cases go up, and especially with festivities coming in, we are in October. By the way, today is 10th October. It's also my mother's birthday, and what a better day than today to start off my YouTube channel. Okay, take care. Bye. Hope to see you very soon. See ya.